Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 6th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir down 64 cents, 6.32%, closed at 9.48. Post-market, we are up by 3 cents. This is pretty bad. So we were able to stay for 6-7 days above 10.13. 10.13 was a support and it was holding. And now, not too long before the Monday, May 9th earnings, the stock is falling and the volume has even increased. I don't know if some people know something, but people wanted to get out before the earnings. So that's quite interesting to see. Looking at the 1-hour chart, nothing to see here. It just came down. In terms of indicators, back on the daily chart, stochastic at 1, it cannot it cannot go lower than this. Everything is in the tank. So we are coming down to our last support. The last support is at $9 for Palantir, and this is the lowest price the stock has ever been at since the IPO. So this is pretty crazy that we are back to the IPO price. This is one of the reasons why, even though I like this company, I think that this company should do great, but this is one of the reasons why I don't buy and hold. Because if you bought at around $20 and now you are at $9, that's a big drop. Yes, it's only a drop on paper. And then if the stock goes back to $100, then you are going to be fine and you will 4 times your money. But if you had sold at 20 and bought back at 9 or 10 and then go to 100, you would have made 10 times. I'm just putting this out there because there's a lot of thinking that, oh no, I buy and hold, I buy and hold, I buy and hold. No, I believe in the company, I buy and hold. Yes, you can believe in the company and choose to still sell your stocks. It's allowed. It's allowed. And you should do that when a stock goes into a downtrend. Anyway, you do what you want and I do what I want, but I just wanted to put that out there. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk Sunday with my members or Monday with everybody else. So have a great weekend and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.